My name is Donald Stewart. I'm the IT manager for Crest Industries, a service provider for electrical from Louisiana. OpManager, we betaed back in October and deployed by December. And for a product like that to deploy that quick is just talks about the product itself. Although we had Desktop Central that we did desktops with, we did need to monitor the entire network. We have a large star topology covering multiple buildings, and we need to see when people are moving files, who's bottlenecking, who's starting to have problems. We need to see that all the switches, routers, and everything are connecting together and working properly. OpManager is just an instant glance that says, hey, you're working good or you got a problem. Yes, it'll tell you that your printer needs toner. That's not what we're really using it for. We're using it to tell us that I have a switch port that's running at 75% utilization. I might need to trunk these ports or something. The ability for OpManager to submit a ticket directly into Service Desk Plus without any intervention, and then that ticket immediately gets assigned out to the network technician. So, by the time we know there's a problem, there's already a ticket in process, technicians working on it, and problem being resolved. That's what we need. It's a lot of automation, it's a lot of monitoring automation. So by the time a user may call me and tell me that their computer appears to be running slow, getting this file, I've already seen it in the switches. I already know which switch is having a problem and making a corrective action. We're a very proactive network now, whereas 8 months ago we were reactive. They call and say you got a problem, then we go try to figure out what the problem is. Now we are mainly a proactive network operations center. We know we're having problems and fix them normally before the user identifies they have a problem. First of all, we have to have a good star topology and a good map of our network to know how everything connects. Once you have that, OpManager will basically, with alerts, start showing you things that are starting to indicate problems or have problems. So you can rapidly assess your activity on your network with OpManager, and it's going to point you to the problem. It points down to a switch port. So it's pretty good stuff.